So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to set nickname on WhatsApp. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your WhatsApp, and to set a nickname you should have to tap on person's profile or chat to whom you want to give a nickname. So I'm tapping on my first chat. Now you should have to tap on person's name, which is available on the top left corner of your screen. So tap on it. Now you can see the option of 3 dot, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on edit. Then you can see the option of first name and last name. So tap here and type a name. Now tap on save. Now see, nickname has been successfully set on WhatsApp. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.